This week on Cooked at Camp, I'm making really quick and easy chicken satay skewers. This cooking segment is just a snippet from a regular wild touring episode where we explored Port Lincoln National Park. You can find a link to that full trip video in the description below. Doing a really simple one tonight, satay chicken. So I've cut up some chicken thighs there. That was about 600 grams and really simple marinade. It's a tablespoon of curry powder, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of sugar. That's it. And then I've got some coconut rice ready to go in here. That's just normal white rice, but you just add a good, third or half a can of coconut milk to flavour it. And now I'm going to quickly make a peanut dipping sauce. And all that goes into that is a tablespoon of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, good squirt of lime juice, squirt of garlic, and a splash of coconut milk. And I'm literally just going to microwave that for 30 seconds to bring it all together. Super, super simple. Anyway, I better fire up that barbecue and yeah, should be an easy one.
Thank you.
Right. Fried shallots. I would have done crushed salted peanuts, but haven't got any left. Kids have cleaned us out. Happy with that?
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
Nice views, eh?
Yeah, it's beautiful. What do you reckon?
Good, good. I really like.
Thank you for watching.
See you next week.
See you then.